we are here in the lobby of 200 South Hanley.
Get my camera.
I got Jason getting his camera going, and let me know when you're on the record.
We're good.
And we have these wonderful Westinghouse Selectomatic elevators.
Well, yeah, I trust
And this one is on peak up, even though we're going to take it down. Oh, cool.
I hate the bell ring.
Going to go to the parking level.
I've ridden these. Ooh, that button's kind of broken.
Here we go.
I've ridden these many times.
What year are these from?
I'd have to look on the records.
These are from the 1960s, right?
I think so. That's probably the button we pressed.
All right.
I took this call. I'm surprised I didn't call the other one.
Like I said, this is a Westinghouse Selectomatic controller, y'all.
May do weird stuff.
Love that bell. Let's go down to the ground and switch cars.
See if we can get the one with the 2-speed door.
Yeah, I want to get the one.
The single slide.
Single slide door. I'm sure we all remember these elevators, y'all. Hey there, who do I have here? It's Jason. St. Louis Elevators. Check them out on YouTube, y'all.
We all know who that is.
Of course, look at these buttons, and someone is going down with us, so keep filming.
Maybe. These have phantom calls.
These have phantom calls? Nope, someone is actually going down. Lobby or ground? Lobby?
2, please.
There you go, gotcha.
Holiday weekend. Didn't even think about that. Well,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
Notice the button didn't go out?
Yep. It's pretty common.
Now watch this when we get to ground. They'll both go out, or on pop out, they'll pop out. Now let's send this car up to 6. Cool, a vending machine. Now down here we don't have any original call buttons anywhere.
Nope.
Now look at this. This elevator is really weird because look, it even looks like it has a center open.
Single slide.
But let's see what one we get now. We got a car. Oh, look at this.
Got it.
This is the one that, it's still on the same controller. It's got these odd buttons. Going up to 11. Where's the numbers? Up there?
Right there.
Wonder if they work.
I think some of them do.
Gosh, it's hard to focus.
This bell works.
Alright, now we're up here on the 11th floor. I'm going to end this video up here.
Okay. Else.
There it goes, and
That's it.
now we are going to check something up here. video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.